Today we're going to add some more flowers to our Peter Rabbit playset. I specifically wanted to put some climbing roses onto the fence around Mr. McGregor's garden. And because these are in the background of our playset, I didn't want them to be too detailed and I didn't want to have to make it too fiddly. So I just went ahead and I cut some green leaves, kind of some pointy ovals, and then I'm going to have pink roses. So I just did a bunch of pink circles. To make the leaves, first I just stuck some hot glue into the center of those ovals and I pinched them in the middle. And for the roses, I just put a little bit of glue in the center of the circles and I pinched them again. These are not very detailed because they're just going to be in the background, and that's okay. Once I had all my pieces ready, I started adding some leaves. I really liked the look of the leaves folded in half after I had pinched the center. You could fold them in half before you stick them down, or you could stick some glue on them and kind of fold them in half as they're stuck onto the wood, either way. I started putting these down with my fingers, but after a while, I really wanted to get them right into the right spot. And so I eventually went ahead and started using my hemostats to place them. And I did really like that to be able to just place them exactly where I wanted. You could definitely continue using your fingers, or if you had some tweezers, those would work as well, of course. And I just placed a bunch of leaves. I wanted to get the main shape of these climbing vines in there before I placed too many of the roses. So I got the main shape going, and then I'll go ahead and start adding some roses. I did save a few leaves to add right at the end, just in case I felt like there was something missing once I had those roses on there. And that's really it. It's a pretty simple little decoration for the back of our fence before we add in our big flowers.